going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to make money with AI music. I posted, I don't know, probably about 100 songs on DistroKid last year. So let's see the results. So DistroKid is a distribution platform that a lot of artists, independent artists, use to get their own royalties without having to sign deals and stuff like that. It's pretty simple. You just sign up, you pay like the yearly subscription, and then you can release all the music you want. So it starts pretty cheap, right? Like, I'm pretty sure this is the ultimate. Yeah, it's about like $10 or whatever a month, and then you upload as much music as you want. It goes to all these platforms. You got Spotify, iTunes, TikTok, Amazon. But what it does is it collects all your royalties. It's a little delayed, like 3 months behind, but I just wanted to show you, like, so I already made 50. This is $50 United States dollars just off AI music that I made last year. Like I said, it's like it's a little delayed. It takes a while for your songs to get into like the algorithm and stuff like that, but as you can see, it is like a form of passive income. So for this video today, I'm just going to show you how I made these AI songs, and how I made the artwork for it, and how to post them. So what you do, you go to this website. It's called Google Flow Music. I use the handy dandy ChatGPT just to help me get an idea. Let's do country. I need a country music prompt. So my AI already knows what I'd be doing, so create a professional. You just ask whatever AI you're using, ChatGPT, for a prompt to make the AI music, and then you post a prompt in here. This used to be a free service. It used to be called Riverside, but I guess Google bought the AI. Those guys are probably laughing now. They probably made a bag. But anyways, so that's it. So you put your prompt into the Google Flow Music app, and then you just generate, and it's easy as that. It just literally probably takes about, I don't know, 1 to 2, maybe 3 minutes, and it generates you a full-on song. You can pick if you want instrumental or if you want lyrics in the song. Okay, so I guess it made us a song with
I swung that sledge until my palms bled.
Like, it just came up with that, man. You can't go wrong with this. Alright, sounds good. What I like to do as well, you just, you download your WAV, MP4, whatever you guys want. What I like to do with this is throw it into Audacity, just so we can get more of a crispier sound. It takes 2 seconds. You just I can make another video on how to master the songs, but yeah, sometimes the AI, it's a little crunchy. But anyways, my first few albums that I released through DistroKid, I didn't even do the mastering with Audacity, but you can definitely hear the difference, and I've been making more money with the stuff that I did master rather than just the raw AI music. But anyway, so after you got the song, you're just gonna go over to upload music. You're gonna pick, I pick all these. Snapchat, we'll just do the one single. You can do the social media pack, and this makes money from the YouTube, the TikTok, and Instagram and Facebook. I would definitely recommend doing this. That's why I'm just doing this as an example, but usually I will pay the $4.99, because this is where you can release 27 songs and it's only $14.95. I would recommend finding a niche in what kind of music. Like I do background music for viral videos, viral reels, and like that's what I'll name the song after, like real background music or viral background music, and then people will kind of search it up when they make a reel, and then they'll end up using my audio, and that's how I made the $50 pretty much. Okay, so like I said, I did this for like a day, and then I just looked into it. I seen $50. I figured I would show you guys, how to do it. If anyone really wants to, rinse and repeat, you could milk out thousands of AI songs and probably get a bag. Do the 30th. You just pick your release date. Just do a cheap $5.99 for the song. Oh yeah, we're not doing the album though. I'm just gonna do the one song. Just released a single. I guess we got a little country. So this is where you're gonna want ChatGPT. I'll just go back and tell him, make me cover. He's gonna take a little minute there, make me a cover. Anyways, let's name it Country Lifestyle. Country. Actually, let's do country background music. I feel like that's just better for like the algorithm and like the SEO, like the search engine optimizers through all the social media platforms. It just kind of picks it up when somebody is, posting a country video, and then country background music will kind of be in there. Hopefully yours pops up, kind of thing. All right, let me just find all right, Red Clay Roots. Just kind of put your name and whatever. You don't really have to do all this. If you guys swear by your music and you're getting right into it, you can do all this. This is just to leave a legacy. If you stop paying your subscription, your songs will still be on there. Discovery pack, the global base song registered Billboard charts. If you guys think you're going to be winning from social media package. So this is the only one I would actually kind of debate on getting. If you think it's going to be a viral song and it's going to be hitting in the algorithm, this is what I'd recommend. But like I said, to pay $5 a year for one song, you might as well do like 27 for 15. I think that's a better one. Okay, so now we're gonna just this is our music, no one else's. Let's see what we got. Okay, so perfect. We got a little album cover. Wham bam, see ya, ma'am. Okay, this is not an instrumental. Usually I focus on instrumentals, like I said, like background music and stuff like that, but you could just go ahead and make an album with the AI, like a country singer, make a Instagram about them, just pump out music like you're a real artist kind of thing, or wear a mask and dance around in a swamp or something. Okay, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's already, uploaded. You can enhance your song, but like I said, I'll update it. I'll do another video if you guys want me to, of how to mix and master it very, very quickly on Audacity. It literally takes like a second, and it makes it sound way better. This one's not that bad.
I swung that sledge until my palms bled, driving cedar stakes in this hard ground. It's a long way from the boy I was before I finally.
Little George Strait kind of vibe right there. Okay, so there it is. Your music is on the way. And just like that, guys, that's it. You can upload more songs. It's just very, very simple. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys want to know more about, you guys want to know how to make money, little flips here and there, hit that subscribe button. I'm always trying to help people out. Comment below if you guys want me to try any side hustles that you guys been doing or seen online. I'm a little bit of a computer geek, so I love a nice little side hustle online. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.